But the true story is I grinded it out for the last 8 years, and a lot of people don't know the true story of where it all began.
Well, it's not easy living in paradise. 500 subscribers! Now I have 74,000!
I have a little bit of a change of pace.
I've been here in Mexico since last Wednesday, ready for another trading day.
I want to thank you guys for watching the video. You got the lights turned on, got it all set up.
On a boat, making money this morning in the stock market. That's what it's all about.
You know, you start out with a perception of what you think you need. You know, I had one computer, one monitor, and I started to build on that, and then 2 monitors, and 3 monitors, and 4 monitors, and then I had more computers, and then I was like just overwhelmed with too much stuff. And you can kind of see throughout my journey on YouTube the whole like process of kind of growing as a trader and becoming who I am today. When I used to be a filmer, I never started a filming company. I always just kept it as Patrick Whelan. The most important thing for me to kind of keep that name where it's at, and I think that name is synonymous with just fucking winning. People look at it like, damn, like Patrick just keeps winning, and I'm like, that's the only option. You know, we started a fishing team, and I told everyone we're gonna fucking win the series. We're gonna win the overall series, and we're gonna walk away with big paychecks. And we did it. First year as a team, we did it. So that's my thing. Patrick Whelan equals winning. I guess at the end of the day, I want to like inspire people to see that I built my brand from nothing. I started out with absolutely no knowledge of trading. You know, I told people, I was like, I'm gonna start a day trading channel on YouTube. I'm gonna start a day trading channel on YouTube, and everyone looked at me like, what do you know about day trading? And I said, well, I don't really know a lot about it, but that's gonna be the whole point. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel where I basically document my journey to finding out what it is to day trade. How do you make money as a day trader? What are the options? What are the different ways of going about doing that? And well, that's exactly what we did. That's just been my driving force since day one. When I first started YouTube, again, it was everybody telling me that I couldn't do it.
Subscribe to @PatrickWylan to learn more about winning big.